Hi there, I am about to place an order on a WooCommerce store and this is a checkout page. You might see that I am not logged in and there's a high chance that you might be running a store that will enable guest checkouts as well. But the problem with guest checkout is that people will misuse it and it needs the right protection. What you need to do is you need to have a captcha or any sort of protection that will stop bad actors from placing fake orders and doing anything else on your WooCommerce checkout page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add Cloudflare Turnstile onto your WooCommerce checkout page. So let's get started. All I have to do is head over to my WordPress website dashboard, head over to Swift Commerce, and I'll open up the Swift Commerce dashboard in the new tab. Here, all I have to do is click on spam. I'll open up reCAPTCHA. And with the help of reCAPTCHA, you can see there are multiple providers available for me. I can choose either Google reCAPTCHA, Cloudflare, or HCAPTCHA. So here I'm choosing Cloudflare Turnstile. And now the only things that's required is site key and secret key. I've already added these beforehand, so you can get these from Cloudflare website. Now all I have to do is click on settings and scroll down here, and here there are multiple options for me to choose from where I can easily add the captcha. Right now I'm going to choose checkout page and I click on save changes. That's how easy it is to add captcha to your checkout page, and it can be well protected from bad actors. I'll head over to the checkout page again and I'll refresh the website. Once I refresh the page, here I'll see the reCAPTCHA. And here I'm seeing the captcha added perfectly. And that's how easy it is to add the right protection to your WooCommerce store and avoid fake orders. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.